Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to find flight number on Swiss Air. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Swiss account, which of course I have done right here. The next one is, how can you create an account on Swiss Air? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type swiss.com and that's going to take you right into the official website for Swiss Air. Once you get into the website, you're going to see an option in the top right corner that says login/register. Go ahead and click on that and follow through the on-screen instructions to register. So after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Swiss Air. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to find flight number on Swiss Air. Pretty simple. Now you can find your flight number during check-in because you need to check your boarding pass for you to find your flight number. So how do you check in? But at the top right corner of your screen, you're going to find My Booking. So go ahead and click on My Booking and it takes you right into this window with extended options. You have Manage, you have Extra Services. Under Manage, you have Check-in, you have Flight Status, Manage Booking, Seat Reservations, Rebook, Cancellation and Refund, Passenger Receipt. You have Delayed and Damaged Booking. So go ahead and click on Check-in, and that's going to take you right into the check-in window where you can now follow through step-by-step processes to check in. Now scroll the way down. You can use online check-in or automated check-in depending on the one that you choose. So head over here to enter your booking reference or your ticket number, which can be found in your confirmation mail. So enter your booking reference or ticket number, and once you're done, enter your last name. So enter your last name here, and after doing that, go ahead and click on Find Bookings. And once you click on that, you're going to see your booking. So follow through the on-screen prompts to check in from there. Now, after going through the step-by-step processes, there are a lot of processes, a couple of processes, not a lot, involved in checking in. So follow through with the step-by-step processes to check in. So once you follow through with the step-by-step processes, it's going to take you to the point, it's going to take you to a window where you're going to see boarding pass. So in the boarding pass window, you're going to find an option to print. So click on print and print your boarding pass. So once you click on print, it's going to display your boarding pass, and right there on your boarding pass, you're going to find your flight number. So that's pretty much the process. You find your flight number on your boarding pass during check-in. So follow through with the on-screen instructions to get used to the step-by-step processes, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.